So for UG accounting students, I guess now all your results are out. Yeah, all our results are out, and I'm happy. I'm happy, extremely happy. I understand why people will be like, eh, people have gotten first class, but why am I shouting here? Why am I happy here? You should be happy. You know the stress I've been through. Do you know what I've been through? Do you think I got this on a silver platter? It has been like I level 4 in the first semester whilst writing exams. Whilst I was going to write my first paper, and I received a call that my mom has been arrested. Just imagine. You are going to write a paper and you received a call that your mom has been arrested. How would just imagine how your paper will be ruined. Like Adriana do go to paper no kwebejira. Adriana was sending in a bejira. Just because of some issue being seen. Whilst writing exam, I was still thinking. So that paper, that level 400 first semester papers, whilst I was writing them, I was still looking for money or trying to find money to go and bill my mom. I was thinking anyhow here and there. But still, I think that semester was actually my best semester because I had all A's that semester. And I think what helped me was that I don't wait for exam before I start learning. Even during vacation, whilst at home, I try to learn ahead, not learning, but checking the course overview, what I should be expecting for the next semester. And I also had an active study group, and I also had a YouTube channel where I teach and upload most of what we do at school. So because of that, I know people were expecting me to upload videos, so I have to be learning ahead, trying to solve questions and upload them, and a whole lot, yes. And with all this stress, I was a non-resident from clean to crank, from 100 to 400. And I was an active person on campus as well. I started using rates, I think less than 1,000 contacts. I'm sure around 400 and something contacts. But I completed rates like 21,000 contacts. You can just imagine a gender boy active, room to room, programs everywhere. I was there, everywhere. Ajisemante, SLC week, Penthole week, all the week. It's mommy year week, but still, I was there. And I think one of the things that also saved me was whatever will happen in the last semester, I don't care about it. What I'm looking at is what I can change in the next possible semester. So let's say if the previous semester didn't go well, I don't think about it all. I'm focusing on the next semester, like how can I achieve the best, and I had some targets for myself. So me, I like clubbing. So I'll set a target for myself that okay, if I'm able to get 1A, then it means I'll go to club once for the next semester. If I'm able to get 2A's, then club 2 times. 3A's, club 3 times. Some of me pray. My bobo is no bear 5. My club 5. So the journey has been inspiring. I'm sure I'll be able to inspire a lot of guys out there that getting first class is easy, but it's difficult. Just have a structure. Once the semester opens, or once the semester begins, have a structure. Me, I was using a strategy I called the attacking strategy. Why? I make sure that up to the 8th week, I'm done with all the courses. Like, even though maybe lectures are not done, we are still attending lectures, but I'll make sure I'm done learning them. The 9th week coming down, I will be solving questions throughout our ATL exams. So, Eugene, you can understand the course, but you won't understand the question. You can understand the course, the left and right of the course, but you see the question and then you won't understand. So solving questions is also part. Learn ahead, solve questions. Take the course, especially accounting, like the way you treat your babe. You call him in the morning, you call him in the evening, check up on him. Yes, check up on your courses. Call them in the morning. You don't need to learn giddy. Just do this every day. 2 hours, 2 papers. So 1 hour for 2 hours, 2 courses. 1 hour, 2 hours for the first course, and then 2 hours again for another course. So for example, I was learning 2 courses a day. 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. So 4 hours for learning personally in a day. So consistently, even though there were some flaws, but I made sure that I'll find ways and means to. And then my clubbing days, Friday and you means there. Saturday they to me for a minute. Upper one side be. You are be feel better. But with all this, when I checked my Degradis portal, my FGPA was 3.87. But you have to refresh and then get the actual one. The actual one is mine is 3.85. Street boy is a media. Nanka pass be near pediaco baby, but 3.87. Now let me explain it before maximum GPA or 5.0 now because when you get 3 point days is second class no way. Ours is the total GPA is over 4 and yours is over 5. So when you strike, just check the thing percentagely. 3.6 over 4 is 90%, and then 4.5 over 5 is also 90%. So it is the same. So when you get 4.5 over 5 GPA and it's first class, and we at Eugene 3.6 over 4.0 is first class, is the same. Check it percentage wise. Mama bona mundi mass na obano na maba 3.6 at ATU or at so and so is second class lower and then has a massa mon born too much. Simple math, just calculate it here and then way. So Charlie, the journey in there, it was tough, but Charlie, me have been able to pass through. You'll be able to pass through. And if level 100, level 200 was bad, don't think about it in level 300 and 400. Level 300 and 400, you can do a comeback. Comeback is real. You can change. Forget the past. Think about what's ahead, and things will change. Forget the past. Think about what's ahead. Things will change. Because Charlie, me may nyane but me try my best. I think I'll actually do an official video on how to tackle your semester perfectly. Even though I was working while schooling, I did it. While now sorry, I go see Ubi to my what's it. So Charlie, I will see you guys some other time. Peace out.